If you need help getting paid on a public construction project, you're in the right place. This is a step-by-step guide to make a payment bond claim and get paid what you've earned. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful construction payment videos. Anyway, let's get going. We'll start by talking about the difference between payment bond claims and mechanics liens. You've probably heard the term mechanics lien a lot, and they're a very powerful tool to make sure you get paid for construction work, but they're only allowed on private construction projects. Mechanics liens can't be used on public projects because individuals aren't allowed to take an interest in public property. That's why bonds are used instead. Instead of your claim attaching to the property, it would attach to a bond provided by a surety company, and that bond will generally be secured by a general contractor. I hope this helps clear up any confusion there may be between the two, and now let's dive into the process for making a bond claim. The first step you'll want to take is to send a preliminary notice. In these states, a preliminary notice is required to secure your right to make a bond claim later on. However, even if it's not a requirement, it's usually a good idea to send one anyway. Next, if payment problems start popping up, sending a notice of intent might be helpful. A notice of intent to make a bond claim is essentially just a threat that if payment isn't made, a bond claim will have to take place. And no GC wants a claim against their bond. So sending a notice of intent to the general contractor, maybe to the surety company, and even the public agency in charge of the project can be helpful. If you still don't get paid after sending a notice of intent, it might be time to go ahead and submit your bond claim. Usually, this will have to be sent by certified mail to any party that's required by the state's Little Miller Act. Often, this will be the general contractor, maybe the public agency in charge of the project, the surety company, and maybe some others. When you send your bond claim, make sure you double check your state-specific deadlines to send it on time, and it's important to check the mailing requirements. If you need help figuring that out, you can go to levelset.com for our free state-by-state bond claim resources. Just check the link in the video description and we'll have you all set up. After you send your payment bond claim, the surety will usually contact you to request backup materials and a sworn statement about your claim. You'll want to return this information as quickly as possible, that way you can keep the claim moving. After submitting that claim and submitting that information, you may want to take an additional step. Sending a notice of intent to proceed against the bond, like filing a lawsuit, can really let the surety and general contractor know that you mean business. It serves as yet another warning that this is a serious payment dispute, and if necessary, a lawsuit will be initiated. But this isn't really a required document, so you can really send it any time within the required time frame for making a bond claim. That way you might get paid without having to file a lawsuit. But if the deadline to file suit is coming up quickly, it's not a good idea to delay that claim. Finally, the last step, if necessary, would be to file a lawsuit against the bond. Nobody wants to file a lawsuit, but that's what the bond is there for, is ultimately to make sure that you're paid what you owe. I hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to check out the links we've included in the description below. And if you have any additional questions, you can post it on Levelset's Expert Center, where construction attorneys like myself are available to answer your construction law and construction payment questions. And remember, payment help is here.